I said 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Mr. O in the mix. Mr. O in the mix. Children, kids, we are going to learn the 3 times tables today. All right? Not 1, not 2, but 3. That's my West Indian kicking in. I'm sorry. It's not 3, it's 3. The 3 times tables today. Okay? So, it's like this. I can say them like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Because Mr. O is in the mix. And you will learn to do them just like this. But anywho, before we get all advanced and stuff, we have to start with 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 3 is 30. 11 times 3 is 33. And finally, 12 times 3 is 36. Now you can keep going, but normally in school they stop around 12. But you can keep going. You can always do more than what you're asked for or what you're asked to do. You get it? So you got that? You got the 3 times tables in the mix. You got the 3 times tables in the mix. All you got to do is study them, practice them, and see how they relate to each other. All the numbers, like 3 plus 3 is 6, and then another 3 is 9, and then 3 more is 10, 11, 12, like that. And then 12, 13, 14, 15, it's just 3 up, 3 up. All right? Okay, you got that? All right. So, I'm glad I was able to introduce you or review, for some of you, the 3 times tables, multiplication tables. This will help you when you memorize them, okay? Mr. O, gotta go. Oh, here comes my doggy, y'all. Yeah, Mustafa, he always wants to get into it. Oh, he can't hardly see him. Okay, gotta go, guys. Thank you, Mr. O.